Welcome to my channel, eTutor Monastery.
Please subscribe to the eTutor Monastery channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest notifications and updates.
Hi guys, I am Monastery. Welcome to my new video series on set theory. Sets are a basic concept in the study of mathematics. In this video, I will discuss about the basic and fundamental knowledge of set theory. So let's start. Now let's discuss about who discovered set theory. The theory of set was developed by German mathematician Georg Cantor in the 1870s. He first encountered set while working on trigonometric series. Cantor's theory became a whole new subject of research and developed a new ways of asking questions concerning continuity and infinity. After that, Georg Cantor discovered his legendary theorem, infinity of infinites. In that time, he became very controversial. Now, let's understand why should we learn set theory. Set theory is one of the fundamental theories in the mathematics. It is widely used in computer science. Studying set helps to categorize information and encourage fragmenting of large amount of information by breaking into smaller groups. Sets in different situations become the powerful building block of modern study, like number theory, linear algebra, real analysis, complex analysis, and many more. What is set? The collection of well-defined, distinct objects is known as set. Now, concentrate on these two terms, well-defined and distinct. First, the word well-defined relates to the property of objects that makes it easy to identify, okay, whether the given object is belong to the set or not. And the word distinct means that the objects of a set must be all different. Let's understand set with some practical scenarios. Let's think about mathematics with things instead of numbers. Actually, this is where mathematics starts. Now tell me, what is your favorite food? Pizza, fried chicken, burger, chocolate, french fries, or ice cream? I am sure you could come up with more on the list. Well, this is known as set. Now take another example. Consider the type of fingers. This set includes thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger. This is also a set. So, it is just things that group together with a certain property in common. What is the common property here? Fingers. That's why set is well defined and distinct. Now, the essential part. When we are making a set of fingers, then we will not include palm. Why? Because this is a body part, not the fingers. Now, if you are making a set of body parts separately, then you can include palm with eyes, ears, nose, etc. Okay? Similarly, if you don't like milk, then milk will not belong to the set of your favorite food. Now, if you are making a set of food or a set of food that you don't like, then obviously milk will be one of the elements of that set. Let's take another example to simplify this whole concept. Stay with me. Let's make a set of domestic animals. Then you can make a list of sheep, goat, cow, pig, horse, etc. But the tiger will not belong to that set because the tiger is a wild animal. Now, if we were making a set of wild animals, then tiger, lion, bear, fox, giraffe, etc. will belong to this set, the set of wild animals. But the sheep will not belong to the set of wild animals. Again, if we were making a set of animals, then lion, goat, bear, giraffe, horse, etc. are all belongs to the set of animals. So this sense of contrast is very important when we are studying set. Am I clear? Similarly, if we are making a set of numbers, then the set elements will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. But the alphabet will not participate in this. Alphabet together will make alphabet set like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, etc. Okay? But of course, if we are making an alphanumeric set, then we can write down numbers and the alphabets together in this way. So this was an introduction of set. In this video, we have learned who discovered set theory, why should we learn set theory, what is set, and examples of set. In the next video, I will discuss about the mathematical representation of set. So, see you in my next video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and comment. If you wait to subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe immediately and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of my new uploads first.